If you are wondering if we have a wired power sharing option available on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is yes. You can use a USB cable that fits both your Z Flip 8 and the other device that you want to charge in order to share the power, in order to charge that other device. So for example, over here I have a USB-C cable. I'm gonna just connect my Z Flip 8 to the other device, and then I should be able to start charging it. There we go. Now, keep in mind that in some cases, especially if you charge another smartphone, your Z Flip 8 might be the one that will be charged instead of charging the other device. So that other device might start charging your Z Flip 8. In order to change this around, you can just open notifications and search for a notification related to USB settings. Usually it's going to be like something about charging this device or stuff like that. And here we have charge connected device, which of course should be enabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.